Dear students, let us learn about chapter 14, electric current and its effect, 7 science. The symbols of electric components. The electric components are electric cell, the symbol, electric bulb, this is the symbol, switch in off position, this is the symbol, switch in on position, this is the symbol, this is the battery, this is the symbol, and the wire, this is the symbol. Next, let us learn the difference between a cell and battery. Electric cell has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. The symbol of electric cell has a longer line and shorter line. The longer line is the positive terminal and the shorter line is the negative terminal. A battery is a combination of two or more cells. In battery, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of another cell. Devices like torch, transistors, toys, TV remote controls use battery. This is how the cells are connected. This is the cell holder consisting of cells. Let us see this in a video. So next we are going to differentiate between a battery and cell. This is a cell, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal, and it provides a EMF of 1.5 volt. Then when the negative of one cell is connected to the positive of other cell by wires, connecting wires, it forms a battery of two cells. This is also, by taking cell holder, we can take three cells, they are connected in series to form a battery of 1.5 into 3 means 4.5 volt, like this. One is already connected like this, then this is connected. It means that the positive of first one is connected to the negative of second. Again, the positive, the other end, the positive end is connected to the negative of the third cell, and this constitute a battery. Next, let us learn about a simple electric circuit. A simple electric circuit can be made by using a cell, electric bulb, switch and wires. The bulb glows only when the switch is in on position and the circuit is closed. This is the circuit, is a battery, this is a switch, this is the bulb, this is a closed circuit and this is the open circuit. Let us see about this by observing a video. Start. So we are going to discuss the chapter electric current and its effect. So we are constructing a electrical circuit which consists of a cell, a bulb and a switch and the connecting wire. So as it is connected, when the switch is on position, the bulb will glow. Let's see. Because the circuit is closed, the current is flowing through this, that's why the bulb is glowing. When the switch is off, the circuit is not closed, means that the circuit breaks. Hence, the current will not flow and the bulb will not glow. So next we will learn about the symbol of the components of this electrical circuit. So what is electrical circuit? Electrical circuit is a closed path where containing electrical components where the current flows through it. Next, let us learn about the heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. Before going to this, let us see and observe a video. Then we will learn about it. Next, we are going to discuss about the effects produced by the electric current. When the electric current flows through a wire consisting of a circuit, a switch, and a source of energy cell, and the conducting wire. Then what happens when electric current is passed through it? Earlier it was cold. When the electric current is passed through it, it appears to be hotter. It will take some time. Yes, it becomes hot. It means that when current passes through a conductor, the wire gets heated. This is called as the heating effect of current. The uses of heating effect of current are the electric iron, immersion rod, heater, room heater, etc. Next, we are going to discuss about the magnetic effect of electric current. For that, we are taking the same circuit, but here we are taking extra a compass needle, which is a tiny magnet in the north-south directions. So, this compass needle is placed just below the conducting wire, and the current is passing through it. So, there will be a deflection is produced here. When the switch is again on, there will be deflection is produced. It means that when the current is flowing through it, here the close to it the magnetic field is produced, because of which there will be deflection is produced in the compass needle. When you change the polarity of the circuit, the deflection produced will be in opposite direction. So again we are going to discuss the heating effect. When the electric current flows through a wire, the wire get heated. This is called a heating effect of electric current. The activity has been done. The uses of heating effect of electric current. The heating effect of electric current is used in electrical appliances like electric heater, electric iron, electric room heater, immersion heater, electric kettle, hair dryer, etc. All these appliances have a coil of wire called element. When the electric current flows through this element, it becomes hot and gives an out heat. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends upon its material length and thickness. The electric heater, this is electric heater, this is electric room heater, electric iron, electric kettle. Next, we are going to discuss about electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device used in electrical circuit which protects the electrical circuit and appliances and prevents fire. Electrical fuse is used in all electrical circuit in buildings. Electrical fuse has a wire which melts quickly and breaks when the large electric current flows through it. This is the fuse holder. This is how the wire is connected. These are the fuse used in electrical appliances. The magnetic effect of electric current. In the activity, we also have learned about the magnetic effect of electric current. When the electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet, and this is called as the magnetic effect of electric current. And then this activity has been done. Next is electromagnet. When electric current is passed through a coil of insulated wire wound around a piece of iron, it becomes a magnet. Such a magnet is called as electromagnet. For this, let us observe a video. So we are going to discuss about electromagnet. For this, I have taken a screw which is wounded by copper wire having a large number of turns, which is connected to a cell of 9 volt and a switch. The switch is in on position. We have taken a compass needle to show the deflection produced in it. So when the electromagnet is the screw having wounded is brought closer to it, there will be deflection is produced in this compass needle. It means that it behaves as a magnet, and this type of magnet is called as electromagnet. Student, can you tell what are the utility of this electromagnet? Okay, there are three uses of electromagnet are there. One is to separate the ferromagnetic substance from it, from a mixture of substances. Second, it is used in electric can to carry large weight. The third one is suppose the ferromagnetic substance is dropped in our eyes, the doctor use this electromagnet to bring it out from our eyes. Next, the electric bell. Electric bell has a coil of wire wound around a piece of iron which acts as like an electromagnet. An iron strip with a hammer is kept close to the electromagnet. There is a contact screw near the iron strip. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, the current flows through the coil and it becomes an electromagnet. It pulls the iron strip and the hammer at the end of the strip strikes the gong of the bell and produces the sound. When the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it also breaks the circuit and the iron strip comes back to the original position. And the process repeats and the bell rings. This is the circuit. This is the bell. This is a striker. This is the contact. This is the electromagnet. Okay. Let us discuss the exercise and answer of the chapter electric current and its effect. Question number 1. Draw in your notebook the symbols to represent the following components of electrical circuit: connecting wires, switch in off position, bulb, cell, switch in on position, and battery. This is already done and this is shown in the video also. Question number 2. Draw the circuit diagram to represent the circuit shown in figure 14.21. Here you are able to observe that the one end of the battery, one end of the safety pin is connected to the bulb, but the other end is open. Means that this is an open circuit. Yes. So we have to draw the open circuit. Then figure 14.22 shows the 4 cells fixed on a board and draw the lines to indicate how you will connect their terminals with wires to make the battery of 4 cells. First, the negative of the first cell is connected to the positive of other cell. Then the negative of second cell is connected to the positive of third cell. And then the negative of third cell is connected to the positive of fourth cell. Hence we get a battery of 4 cells. Question number 4. The bulb in the circuit shown in 14.23 does not glow. Can you identify the problem? Yes. The problem is that the positive of both the cells they are connected together. So you have to change that the positive of first cell is connected to the negative of other cell. Name two effects of any two effect of electric current. First one is heating effect, second one is magnetic effect. When the electric current flows through a conductor, it gets heated, it is called as heating effect. And when the current flows through a conductor, it produces magnetic field, that is called as magnetic effect, and this application is already given in the video. Question number 6. When the current is switched on through a wire, a compass needle kept nearby gets deflected from its north to south position. Explain. When the current flows through the circuit, a magnetic field is produced around it. The magnetic field cause the deflection in the needle of the compass, and this effect is called as magnetic effect of electric current. Will the compass, question number 7, will the compass needle show deflection when the switch is in the circuit shown 14.24 is closed? When this circuit, in this condition, it will not uh, show any deflection because the circuit is open. When the switch is on position, then there will be deflection in the produced in the compass. Question number 8. Longer line in the symbol, fill in the blanks. Longer line in the symbol represents dash terminal, positive terminal. B, the combination of two or more cells is called dash battery. When the current is switched on in the room heater, it is heated or it produces heat. Question number D, the safety device based on heating effect of electric current is called a fuse. Question number 9, to make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of other cell. False. The negative terminal of one cell must be connected to the positive terminal. Question number B, when electric current through a fuse exceeds a certain limit, the fuse wire gets melts and breaks. Correct. True. C, electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. This is false. It can attract. An electric bell has an electromagnet. True. Question number C, the electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. It is false. Yes, it can attract. Question number 10. Do you think the electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from the garbage? You know, plastic is a plastic is non-magnetic substance, so it cannot be use the electromagnet to separate this. Question number 11. An electrician is carrying out some repairs in your house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give the reason for your response. And that replacing the fuse with a metal piece would be dangerous because fuse has always low melting point and it should break. It is very thin because it should break. But in case of metal piece, the melting point will be high. The current will not break in case of overloading or overheating. Question number 12. Juveda made an electric circuit using a cell holder as shown in the figure, a switch, bulb and a bulb. When he put the switch in on position, the bulb did not glow. Help Juveda in identifying the possible defects in the circuits. The connecting wire may be loose, the cells are used off, bulb may be fused. Other possible answers are there. Question number 13. In the circuit shown in 14.25, there is A, B, C, three bulbs are there, a battery is there. Would any bulb glow when the switch is in off position? No. The circuit is not complete, so no bulb will glow. What will be the order in which ABC will glow when the switch is on position? As soon as the switch is on, all the three bulbs will glow together. Thank you very much.